Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by ensuring iCloud Mail is active and two-factor authentication is on. This protects access. Next, generate an app-specific password in your Apple ID account because Gmail needs it instead of your Apple password. Once done, open Gmail, go to Settings, then Accounts and Import, and choose Add a Mail account. You're initiating a secure bridge between services. This approach uses a map so messages sync both ways rather than just forwarding. Now configure the incoming and outgoing servers in Gmail's Add Account wizard. For incoming, use a map. Mail, me, COM on port 993 with SSL so your mail syncs reliably. For outgoing, use SMTP. Mail, me, COM on port 587 with TLS to send mail through iCloud. Enter your full iCloud email and the app-specific password you created earlier for both incoming and outgoing authentication. Make sure to select Label and Sync options so messages appear in the Gmail folders you expect. Finish by sending a test email from Gmail to another address and reply to it using your iCloud address to verify send and receive. If you see authentication errors, regenerate the app-specific password in Apple ID and re-enter it. Often that resolves token issues. Make sure ports and SSL/TLS settings match the recommended values, and note Gmail send limits which can block large bursts. If messages still fail, remove and re-add the account. This resets a map state and commonly fixes stubborn sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.